There are specific GPTs that can be used in order to get some Excel help. So to do that, you need to go around onto Explore GPTs section, and then you need to go around and type in Excel right here, just like this. So once you go around and type in Excel, you can see that I got Excel Pro, Excel right here, and so forth, which will help us to work around with Excel. So let me just go around over here and click on Excel right here and click on Start Chat. So once I do that, Excel opens up, as you can see right here. And now what I can do is, let's say for example, help me make a Excel sheet right here, which allows me to add in marks of, let's say, 5 subjects, and then get their total as well, just like this. So I'm asking it to help me make an Excel sheet right here. And stepwise, you can see that it guides me out right here. Like it says that I need to create headers. Then it says I need to add in rows right here. Then it says about input data, and it gives me let's say expression or the formula for calculating the total marks and so forth, as you can see right here. So it says format the sheet right here as well, and it tells me to add around borders as well. And you can see that it also says I can create a sample Excel sheet for you with the structure described above. So do you want to download the file? So I'm just going to go around and say yes right here. So if I were to go around and press 1, then what happens is that it generates out an Excel sheet as well. So you can see that I pressed 1 right here, just like this, and then it gets to work on creating that Excel sheet for you as well. So you can see that it says analyzing right here. It does take a bit of time, which is usual right here, and now it starts creating after a while. So now you can see that it actually generated out an Excel sheet right here that I can download, and then that is a sample. So if I were to go around and click right here, then you can see that a file gets downloaded around over here, and I can open it up. So let's go ahead and open it up right here. So let me just go around and click. Then you can see that this is an Excel file that it actually generated right here. So you can see that this is an Excel file right here with dummy data around over here as well. So I can go around and change around the data as you like. It didn't create an automated adding sum right here, but you can go around and change it out, and we can ask it to generate out Excel sheet as well, just like this. And that is how you can go around and utilize Excel GPT or Excel a plugin in GPT in ChatGPT to create Excel sheets like this and to get Excel help. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.